Hey everyone, Steve from Backcountry Gallery here, and I have something a little different for you today. This time around, I just wanted to let you know about a new guide I just created called the Back Button AF Guide for Nikon cameras. Now don't worry, this guide is 100% free. This 30-page guide is just what it sounds like. It goes over what back button autofocus is, why many photographers find it beneficial, how to use it, and it answers lots of frequently asked questions. In addition, this guide also includes step-by-step back button autofocus setup instructions for every current Nikon camera. Oh, and by the way, if you already have my Secrets to the Nikon Autofocus System book, you won't need this one. Your book has everything this one does and like 1,000 times more. By the way, while you're over at the site, be sure to sign up for my free email newsletter. That's where I typically announce things like this, plus there are lots of things that happen on the site that I never announce on YouTube. You know, things like new articles, upcoming projects, events, and even workshops. If you want in on any of that, you gotta be on the newsletter. Anyhow, enjoy the free guide and I hope you find it useful. Have a great day.